Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in time and distance. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a thief was stopped by a policeman at a distance of 350 meters. So then the thief started running and at the same time the police also started chasing. The respective speeds are police 7 km/h and thief 5 km/h. Here the question is how far the thief would have run? How far the thief would have run before he was overtaken by the police? That means before he was caught by the police. Friends, first let us find the time. Let us find the time to catch the thief. See friends, time is equal to middle distance 350 meters by 350 meters by relative velocity. They are running in the same direction. Relative velocity 2 km/h. So into 5 by 18 meters per second. That is equal to 350 into 18 upon 2 5 so 10. So time is equal to 35 into 18 seconds. 35 into 18 seconds. So in 35 into 18 seconds, the police will catch the thief. So in this time, how far the thief would have run? So how far, that is distance run by the thief. Velocity into time. What is the velocity of the thief? 5 km/h. I am doing into 5 by 18 meters per second. This is the velocity of the thief into time. 35 into 18. 18 gets cancelled. 35 into 25. 35 into 25 meters. 25 5s 125. 12 5 25 3 75 plus 12 87. So the thief would have run 875 meters before he was overtaken by the police. Thank you.